Hello friends, I am Pranjal and welcome back to another exciting video based on computerized accounting with GST. In today's video, I am going to perform SOP number 2 of computerized accounting with GST using mobile phone. As you can see on the screen, I have placed a picture of question given by the board book. With the help of any open source or free education version accounting software, create a company using following details: company name, Messrs. Bags and Baggage Traders, company address, JM Ratna Road, near Maruti Mandir, Ratnagiri, Maharashtra, pin code 415612, website www.bagsandbaggagetraders.com, email ID contact_us@bagsandbaggagetraders.com, GSTIN 27 STUVW 1234 C2Z1, books beginning 1st April 2019. Enter the following transaction in appropriate voucher using by applying GST. Print GST computation reports and tax invoice. First transaction is on 1st August 2019. Purchased 150 pieces of leather bags at the rate of rupees 2,500 per piece with GST 28% from Genuine Leather Bags, Sai Baba Nagar, DP Road, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra, pin code 40039, with GSTIN 27 LMNOP 5678 V2Z2. Second transaction is on 2nd September 2019. Sold 80 pieces of them at the rate of rupees 3,500 per piece, GST 28% to Messrs. Shoppers Stock, Pari Industrial Estate, Chiproon, Maharashtra, pin code 415605, with GST IN 27 JKLM and 4321 C1Z2. Print GSTR2 and sales tax invoice. In this practical we have to print GSTR2 and sales tax invoice after passing all the entries of both the transaction. Both the transactions are within the states, so we're going to need only CGST and SGST. So let's get started. As you can see, I have shared my mobile screen with you all. In today's video, I am going to use the Tally on Mobile version 9. It is different than the version which I used in the earlier video. It is the latest version of Tally on Mobile, which supports the GST transaction. After downloading the app, it looks similar to the earlier app, only after the name it is written 9.0. I am opening the app. The interface is same, only there are some additional in the features. After opening, you can see the gateway. There is select company, create company. Click on the create company and write the name of company, that is Messrs. Bags and Baggage Traders. Then select the state as Maharashtra. Then write company address J.M. Ratna Road, near Maruti Mandir, Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. Pin code is given 415 612. There is no other option to write the PIN code separately, that's why I'm writing it here. Then write the GSTN number. STUVW 1234 C2 Z1. Go down. They have not provided us the bank details, so leave it as it is. If you want to set a security password, you can say yes in the checkbox. Then select the financial year from, that is given as 1 April 2019. The interface to select the date can differ as per your phone. Then place OK after selecting. As you can see, book beginning from is also selected automatically, same as the financial year from. Then save. Message appears, companies created successfully. Then click on select company option and select the name of the company. After, you can see the options as master, voucher and reports. We have to create ledger. For that, click on masters. This will allow us to create ledger groups. Then there are options like account master, inventory and all that. Click on the account master. Here you can see cash and profit and loss account is created already, so we not need to create that. Click on add to create new ledger account. First ledger account which we need is purchase account. I'm writing here as purchase ledger handbags account. Under group will be purchase account as we are purchasing goods. Then save the ledger. Click on save button. Don't need to write the amount or type, leave it as it is. Second ledger which we need is genuine leather bags. Write in front of ledger as genuine leather bags. Select under group as sundry creditors as we are going to purchase goods from them. As soon as you select the under group as sundry creditors, more option will be there seen as address. Then write the address of the company given in the textbook, Sai Baba Nagar, DP Road, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra, and write the PIN code 400039. Go down, select the state as Maharashtra. Go down and write the GSTN number, that is LMNOP 5678 V2Z2. Then click on save button. Our ledger is created successfully. Then the next ledger which we need is CGST and SGST for GST calculation. Write CGST and select the undergroup as duties and taxes. Click on save button. Then write SGST. Undergroup will be same, duties and taxes. Click on save. We have finished creating the ledger which are required for the first transaction. Now we'll create the ledger required for the second transaction. First ledger will need of sales, leather handbags. Write sales leather handbags. You can change this name too. Then select under group as sales account and click on save. Second ledger account is Messer Shopper Stock. Right in front of ledgers, Messer's Shopper Stock. Under group will be sundry debtors. As we are selling goods to them, there will be our debtors. Then remove the address and write the address of Messer Shopper Stock. That is Pari Industrial Estate, Chippaloon, Maharashtra. Pin code is given as 415605. Go down and the state is already selected, and then write the GSTR number, that is JKLMN 4321 C1Z2, and click on the save button. As both the transactions are within the state, we did not need to create IGST. CGST and SGST are only required in both the transaction, and that we have created earlier. After finishing this, go back. Here you can see all the ledger accounts which you have created, the list and their undergroup. Go back to the option interface and select inventory accounts and select stock group. Click on add. Write the group name. I am writing as handbags. And then select primary as undergroup and save. Go back. You can see the group name created by us. Go back and click on unit master. Then click add. Write the symbol which you want to be displayed. I am writing here as PIC for pieces. This is the short form. And then write the full name as pieces. And decimal place write as 0. And then click on save. You can even say here 2 decimal places. I am writing here as 0. You can also add 1 or 2. Go back after saving it. You can see the symbol. Then click on item master to create the stock item. Remember to create the stock group and unit master before you create the stock item, because we are going to need the unit and stock group to select while we create the stock item. Click on the item master. Click on add. Name the stock item. I'm writing here as leather handbags. Under group will be handbags which we created, and then select unit which you created. Write the HSN and TIN number dummy. If you leave it blank, it will show error while saving the stock item. Write quantity, again add 1 extra 0 and write extra 0 in the price too, and then click on save. And then go back. You can see the names. Go back and click on the GST tax masters to create the GST and mention the GST percentage, and name the category. I'm naming as leather handbags. Taxability as taxable, and type of supply should be goods. Check that it is goods or not, and then After clicking on sales, in front select the sales account which you have created, and then purchase account. Whichever account you have created, that will be shown in the drop down list. Then mention the percentage of CGST and SGST as they have mentioned in the textbook as 28% GST. We have to divide it by 2 to find out the CGST and SGST. If we divide 28% by 2, we get 14 and 14%. Like that, you can divide and find out what is SGST and CGST. And write the cess as dummy and SGST the cess ledger also, because if you leave it blank, it will show error while saving the category. If you want to take IGST on the place of integrated tax, you can create that account too. Go to account master and click on add and write IGST. Under group will be duties and taxes, and click on save. Again, go back to the GST tax master and we have to create it from starting. Name the category as leather handbags, taxability as taxable, check the type of goods, then select the sales and purchase account, mention the percentage of CGST, that is 14%. After that, select the CGST ledger and then select the 14%, mention the SGST percentage, select SGST ledger and select the IGST ledger, and in the cess write dummy and take any dummy account there and click on save. Record has been created successfully. Go back, you can see here the name. Go back to the inventory masters and go to item master and select the item which we have created earlier. Click on that, and as you can see at the bottom there is a add tax category. Click on that and add tax category. Select category, and then you can see the name of the stock item which we have created in the GST tax. Click on that leather handbags. If you have named the GST tag master something else, that name will be shown there. Select the date as the book beginning, that is 1 April 2019. Click on OK and go back and click on save button and go back. We are finished creating all the ledgers required for both the transactions with the stock item, and we have also given the GST details. Now we have to enter the transaction entry. For that, click on vouchers from the option interface and go to inventory vouchers. Click on that. You can see here many options as GST sales, purchase, VAT sales, VAT retail sales, VAT purchase, VAT retail purchase, debit note, credit note. Within all of these, we have to select GST purchase because the first entry is of purchase and we are purchasing it with GST. That's why we have to select it GST purchase voucher. Click on that. Then click on add. Select the date, that is 1st August 2019. Click on OK and then write the reference number as dummy. Then select the party name as genuine leather bags. Then click on confirm. In the transaction, they have mentioned complete details about the company from whom we are purchasing. That's why I have taken the party name there. They have not mentioned anything about we have purchased it on credit or cash, and they have mentioned details about the company. It means we have purchased it on credit. That's why I have taken the party name. Then after that, click on inventory details. Then select the item name. Do not forget to give the tax master in the stock item. If you forget to add there the GST tax item, here the name of stock item will not appear as this transaction is of with GST. Then mention the quantities, that is 150 pieces. Then rate write 2500 as given in the textbook. Discount percentage write as 0 as there is no discount in this transaction. And then as you can see, purchase account is selected automatically, the amount is calculated, then the CGST is also calculated automatically. We did not need to calculate anything. Then remove the cess, click on clear, and then click on save button. To save this transaction, you can also remove that amount. Then click on save button. Item creating is done. Go back, again go back. Here you can see in the inventory details the total amount of goods purchased is given. Under tax detail, the total tax is given, then grand total is given. Then in the narration, write the narration. Being leather bags purchased. Save. Go back. Our first transaction entry is done. Then click on yes. Here you can see our first transaction entry. Then go back. Second transaction is of sales. For that, click on GST sales voucher. Click on add. Then select the date, 2nd September 2019. Click on OK. Write dummy reference number. Select the party name as Messrs Shop Stock. Click on confirm. Then select the inventory items, add item. Select the item name, that is same as we did in the purchase entry, leather handbags. Click on the leather handbags name. Quantity write 80 and write the rate, that is 3500. Discount percentage will be 0. Click on OK. Sales account is also selected automatically. The amounts are calculated automatically. Again remove the cess and click on save button to save this transaction. Go back. You can see our item is created successfully. Go back. Here you can see the inventory details and tax details are given. Grand total is given below that. Write the narration as being leather handbags sold, full stop, and click on save button. Go back, say yes. You can see the second transaction entry. Go back, go to the option interface. They have told us to print a GSTR2 and sales tax invoice. For that, go in the inventory reports and go to GST reports and select the GSTR2. And at the top you can see 3 lines. Click on that and say export as Excel. There is no option to export this report as PDF, so export it in the Excel. We can convert the Excel into PDF later on. To print the second report, that is sales tax invoice, click on accounting reports, then select day book, and second entry is of sales. Open that entry and go down. At the bottom you can see preview option. Click on that and select PDF viewer. The PDF is exported. You can see both the pages are same. You can take any one page of that, both are same. Then click on the 3 dots and click on download. The PDF is downloaded successfully. We have exported both the reports, GSTR2 and sales tax invoice. To view that, go in your file manager. Sales tax invoice is in download and GSTR will be in the folder of Tally on mobile. To see the sales tax invoice, I'm going to the downloads. Here you can see the PDF is downloaded successfully. I'm not able to see the PDF because there is no PDF viewer. Go back. And to view the GSTR report, go to Tally on mobile app version 9. There is a folder named as the company, and here you can see the GSTR report. They have given the GSTR report as name GSTR1. Let's check whether it gives name different to the GSTR1 or not. Go back, and again go to inventory reports, then GST report and GSTR1. Export it. Then it is generated successfully. Again go back to the file and see whether the last exported is of. They have given same name to all the GSTR reports. We have to change it later on. So I am deleting the last report which I have exported, that was of GSTR1. I have successfully deleted that file. Now to export this Excel file to PDF, go to Google or you can even go to Chrome. I have placed the link of the website through which you can convert the Excel to PDF, which website I am using right now. Or you can even search to Excel to PDF and then click on the website. The website is getting opened. I'm selecting documents. There will be different option while you click on choose files and select the Excel file. Now click on the download file. Then name it. And then the file is getting open automatically after getting downloaded. You can see the GST report. It looks like this. You can change the name of GSTR1 if you download the Microsoft Excel. app in your mobile, you can change the name of GSTR1 and then try converting it to PDF. I've also placed a link from where you can see the GSTR report exported with the help of desktop version of Tally. Hope you have understood how to perform this practical using mobile phone. If you have any query related to this practical or any other practical, please comment down below. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Let me know which practical you want me to perform in the next video. Thank you for watching.